Great.
So I'm a climate researcher at CICERO, Center for International Climate Research
Yeah.
in Oslo. Been working at this institute for, what's it, 17 years or something like that. Yeah, a bunch of years. Right, and originally a biologist from the Netherlands, came to Norway like way back.
I say I can just hear a Dutch twang in your accent.
You just
Perfect.
might, right? I never tried to be a Norwegian, even though I am Norwegian now. But there you go.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, last say 10, 12 years, I've been working on food systems. Which, as you know, of course, it's basically everything to do with food from its production to its consumption, all the steps in between, transport, processing, etc. The politics around it, and so on. And I started off with a climate context, right? So what are the emissions in this whole food system, and how could we reduce those emissions? But also, what is climate change doing to food production? How will this influence the availability of food, adaptation needs, all these sort of things?
Yeah, and I guess how the regions change with
absolutely
temperature movement.
Yeah, so that's right. So in general, I have kind of a Norway and Nordic focus in this work, but it's very sort of globally contextualized because Norway particularly is very import dependent for a lot of foods. So whatever happens in an import country or an export country, then right, in terms of say some extreme event, food reductions, I mean that's very relevant for Norway. Yeah. But of course, during my work on climate and food, and I'm also quite active in communication and writing op-eds in newspapers and sometimes on TV to say something or other about this stuff. Of course, when you just come with a climate entry point, the number one critic is, but food is so much more. It's about all sorts of sustainabilities. It's about cultures. It's about traditions. It's about local. It's about enjoying your food. It's about the economy. It's about the job. It's about everything, right? It's about nature. And indeed, yes, clearly it is. So now I'm way more a food and sustainability researcher, something like that. Just trying to get this whole picture and then figure out how to do things best in the Norwegian context and contributing to the global context.